Okay, you probably can't see because it's totally dark out here where I am. I have the car turned off. I just had the parking lights on. I'm way out on a country road. It's actually Island Road in Cicero, New York. About 10:30 at night. You can see some houses way off in the distance. This is actually holding at ground level right now, pointing at some houses way off in the distance. There's this noise that's been going off, same one that other people have been posting on the internet. The only difference is it's not overwhelmingly loud. It's not right over the area that we're in. Must be a few towns away. I'll shut up in a minute. It sounds like a train going over tracks with a little squealing, a little metal noise of the tracks. Only there's no trains anywhere around here. No major roads around here. I'm way down the middle of nowhere on a country road. Probably can't hear that. Like a train, or I'm pointing at my car. A little metal noise, or almost like a plane way off in the distance that just doesn't pass over. It's actually been going on since about 8, and again, it's 10:30 here at night.